What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome to day one of my keto day of eating vlog. So last night I uploaded a vlog and I asked you if I should do daily vlogs, if I should do weekly vlogs of what I eat in a day on the ketogenic diet. I actually sat and tallied it up on an Excel sheet and the daily vlogs won. Though, I think a lot of people just thought that maybe it will be me eating the same thing every day. And if that happens, I will consolidate and do maybe 2 days or 3 days together, no problem about that. And yeah, this morning it's just been pretty chill. I'm having my black coffee, still intermittent fasting. I love my coffee. Listening to some good metal music, and I'm going to go about my day as usual. I will update you around lunchtime. And yeah, before I sign off, there were two people who had a question about keto supplements. So Akriti and Farial asked me about what supplements do I take on keto. And the thing is, the very honest truth is I take no supplements. My wife bought me some biotin tablets for the hair fall that happens on keto, but I barely took like them every once in a while. I don't know, I just never felt the need to take supplements. I know I should probably be taking a magnesium supplement or something, but I don't know, I just drink lots of water, eat the right food, and so far I've been okay. I haven't really had any issues as such, but you never know. If you have any suggestions on what supplements you think I should take, because everyone loves giving advice, of course, so please go right ahead. Anyway, I'm going to go back to drinking my coffee. I'm going to drink 2 liters of water at least now between now and lunch, or at least a liter of water between now and lunch. And yep, I'll update you when I have my next meal. Cheers, see you around, guys. Alright guys, so it's lunchtime and I've got my plate here. I've got a delicious masala cheese omelette made like a pizza in the oven. I've got bacon, about 50 grams cooked, and I've got some green salad and some more green salad here. That's about 50 grams of lettuce with a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and just salt. Very plain, very basic. I have a recipe for the masala omelette on the channel, and how to make an omelette pizza. Just use the chorizo omelette recipe and just mix it up. And yeah, so this is a pretty well balanced meal. I feel I'll in fact go over the macros with you right now. If I can just open my phone, and I've saved it here. So this meal has only 4 grams of net carbs, which basically I think come from the onion and from the cheese. Yep. And it's 55 grams of fat, 24 grams of protein. So I think that's pretty good, and 600 calories. This will definitely keep me filled up till the evening or the night, in fact. And I honestly only need about 1200 calories in a day, because it says my required calories are 1500 given the life that I have. So anyway, that's all for now. I'm just gonna go and eat my lunch now because I'm starving. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon right now. Anyway, I'll see you guys later in the evening in case I decide to snack, or otherwise later directly at dinner. Cheers. Oh, and of course, I'm sure you want to know how this tastes, so I've kind of wrapped the omelette in the bacon and put some lettuce on top. So good. This is delicious. Sorry, I'm stuffing my face. It's disgusting. I'll see you later. Okay, so this is more neatly wrapped now. The egg is on the outside, the bacon is on the inside, and inside is that green lettuce. So it's like an egg roll. Just take the egg, wrap the bacon. Anyway, I don't know why I keep coming back. Maybe I'm just like a camera junkie or something. Anyway, later guys. And I'm back, and that's probably because there's an Indian somewhere going, but you can't eat onion on keto. Yeah, well guys, you know what? I just wanted to mention that I use 15 grams of an onion in my omelette. That doesn't do anything. It's like I said, it's 2 net carbs. So yeah, what's 2 net carbs in a day where you need like 20 grams of carbs to 30 grams of carbs at least? So what's 2 grams? Indians, you can eat onion, you can eat tomato also. No problemo. Take care, can't you come again? Bye bye. So it's about 3:30 now, and I'm having a cup of black coffee, which I normally have around 4:35, but I have a band rehearsal today, my comedy rock band workshop. Check us out if you haven't. And yeah, I had a huge dessert craving after lunch, and I powered through it. That's why I'm also having my coffee early, so I can just get that craving out of me. And I'll do some cooking after my jam, and I'll see you then. Cheers. So I had a great rehearsal with my band, and I'm going to my brother's house now to spend some time with my family. My brother had an accident, don't worry, he's okay, but I'm just going to spend some time with him. So I'm taking my dinner with me, And for dinner, I'm going to basically assemble a salad at his house of lettuce, tomato, fresh basil pesto and buffalo mozzarella. And I'm also going to quickly grill up some chicken here at home and carry it with me. This is just some pan fried chicken in some Cajun seasoning. So nothing fancy, just a chicken salad basically. And I'm going to add a spoon of olive oil to that just to up the fat. I'll go over the macros when I get home from dinner and I'll see you then. Alright guys, so I'm back from dinner and I do feel a bit like I overate. I ate quite a bit. I ate about 180 grams of boneless chicken thighs. I had that big salad as you saw. So there was about 100 grams of mozzarella in that. But I only clocked in 661 calories. So I'm at about 1300 calories for today. I've had 13 grams of net carbs, which is not bad at all. I had about 106 grams of fat. And I had 80 grams of protein. So this is pretty much hitting my macros more or less spot on almost. I mean, according to my calculations, I need about 111 grams of fat and I need about 72 grams of protein. So I'm a little bit over, but I think I've done pretty well overall. And yep, I think tomorrow I might have to skip the vlog and consolidate day 3 and 4 because I'm thinking tomorrow I'll do a brand new recipe video for you guys. Anyway, that's all from me for today. And I will see you guys in the next vlog or the next recipe video, whatever comes. And if you have questions, comments, suggestions, leave them in the comments below and I'll see you later. Cheers.